Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to replace the cabin filter for 2012 Hyundai Sante Fe. So you first thing you want to do is open up the glove compartment, take everything out, then you want to unhook these guys because the filter is exactly behind the glove compartment. So if you squeeze the plastic together, the latch will come off. Next thing you want to take off, there are two plastic stoppers on either side. So we are going to take these off now. So you need to push it in from the outside and then down at the same time, and that's going to pop it out. Perfect. So one is out. Now let's take the second one out so we can access the filter. So again, the same thing we want to do. So push it in and then down, and that's going to pop it out. So it's completely out now. There's nothing holding the glove compartment, so you might want to put something underneath because you don't want to let it fall. So if it falls, it might break these two plastics at the back, and you don't want that. So just put something underneath which is going to hold it, and this is where the filter is, and we will take it out now. Filter is behind this opening, and we will open it up now. This cover has two plastics on each side, and we just need to squeeze it together and it'll come right off. So we squeeze the one side, squeeze it from the other side, and the cover comes off just like that, and you can see the filter is right there. So let's pull the filter out now, and I will show you how dirty it really is. I think it's never been replaced. This is a 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe, so it's been like 11 years. Um, oh my god, look at that. It has leaves in it. Let me put it in the sunlight. It has leaves in it, completely plugged up with dirt, and it's just it needed replacement, so it's pretty bad. I'll show you the new one now, the new one that I just bought. This is the new one that I bought. Let's open up the package and let's have a look at it. And look at that. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's clean, and of course it's brand new, and let's compare it with the old one. Wow, look at the difference, eh? Insane. Let's put the new filter in now. We are just going to slide it in. It's just that easy, and put it in this way. Yeah, just slide it in, and we will put the cover back on, and then put everything back in its place, and that's just about it. Now we're putting the cover back on, and then we will put the glove compartment back in its place. Okay, so let's put it back in its place now. So first we are going to put the latch back on the side, so we can just push it in and it'll hold it like that. And then we need to put the plastics back in, so they will go in the same way they came off. So just push it in and up, and it will fit right in. So let's pop it back in its place. Perfect. So one side is on. Let's do the other side now. and we're all done. That's it. So the filter has been replaced. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.